Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to do a DIY keratin treatment at home. Keratin is a protein that makes up our hair, and a keratin treatment can help smooth and straighten your hair. First, start with clean, dry hair, then divide your hairs into sections and apply the keratin treatment evenly from root to tip. Make sure to avoid applying too much product as this can make your hair greasy. And next, use a white tooth comb to distribute the product evenly and throughout your hair. Once you have done this, cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the treatment on for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse your hair throughout with warm water and apply a deep conditioner. Leave the conditioner for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it out. Finally, blow dry your hair on a low heat setting and use a flat iron to seal in the keratin treatment. And that's it. Your hair should be smooth, shinier and stronger. So guys, I am going to show you how to make your own hair keratin cream at home using simple ingredient. First, take half a cup of boiled rice and grind it to a fine paste. Then take a bowl. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To it, mix them well until they are fully blended. Next, add a rice paste to the bowl and mix everything together until you have a smooth paste. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a nice fragrance. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, making sure to cover all areas evenly. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it off with the lukewarm water. This DIY hair care cream is great for nourishing and straightening your hair thanks to the protein rich rice paste. Olive oil and coconut oil are both excellent moisturizer that will leave your hair feeling soft and shiny and silky also, guys. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to take care of your hair at home. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it worked for you in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe guys, and more DIY beauty tips. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.